What's good, Creative Fam? Brandon Washington here with a brand new Motivational Monday. I'm actually really surprised that I've actually been able to stick to it this well, but honestly, it's been you guys' motivation to me to keep making these week after week. I think I'm like 7 or 8 weeks into this, and I've been very happy and pleased to be able to post consistently for you guys and give you guys just a little bit of motivation each week. So I don't know if you guys know this, I don't know if I've really explained this too much, but when it comes to the Motivational Mondays for me, I primarily try to talk about things that honestly I need to hear. I actually find myself going back on down days and watching my own Motivational Mondays, as crazy as that may sound, but it's really to kind of get me going. And this week, something that I've been really thinking about a lot recently, actually a whole lot recently, is a very easy phrase that I've been asking myself, and it's, why not you? See, a lot of us are probably used to seeing, popular filmmakers or very popular photographers or, big YouTubers or whatever the case may be. There's a ton of really creative and very successful people out there who are absolutely killing it right now and are making these great livings for themselves doing what they love. But one thing that I actually have kind of thought about in the whole process is no one really gave them permission. It was always just them going about doing it and making it happen. And so now the question I've been asking myself a lot recently is, well, why not you? Why can't I be the next big, director, filmmaker, YouTuber, whatever the case may be? Why can't you be the next videographer, photographer, the big name person in your area, the person who's absolutely crushing it right now? Why can't it be you? Why can't it be me? See, the only person that really gets in our way in the whole process is ourselves. No one gives anyone, and I don't know if that makes sense, but I'll say it again. No one gives anyone the permission to be great. There are a lot of people out there who just crush it, who just kill it, and no one gave them permission to do it. They just did it. They just took it on themselves to make it happen. And that's something I've been asking myself a lot this week, and something that I actually challenge you guys to ask yourself is, why not you? Why can't you be the next big thing? And honestly, I've seen a lot of you guys' work out there. For those of you who've reached out to me via Instagram or here on YouTube, like, you sent me some of your work and it is amazing, and I'm asking you and I'm asking myself, why not us? Why can't we be the next big thing? If you guys are looking for additional motivation, I don't know if you guys have been sleeping under a rock, if you don't already know this or not, but Will Smith recently got on Instagram and on YouTube, and he's been someone who's actually been motivating me quite a bit. And so if you guys aren't already, go definitely follow him on Instagram. Some of the stuff he posts on his stories are just completely crazy motivational, and it'll definitely get you through the week, because I know I only put out one of these a week. But for those of you guys who have been reaching out to me and letting me know that these have been helpful for you and that they've been motivating you and that you look forward to them, I want to thank you guys so much, because those little comments motivate me to make sure that I make this video every single week. So thank you guys again so much for all the words of encouragement. And today I do have a fan of the day, and so that goes out to Tracy Parker Photo Video. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate you leaving comments week after week. If you guys don't know who he is or haven't checked out his YouTube channel, as usual, I will leave a link to his YouTube channel at the end of this video. But he also puts out some photo reviews, and I've actually never met this guy in person. He's just an awesome person who's been leaving great comments on my video, and so I really appreciated that, and him also reaching out to me on Instagram. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope this video has been helpful, inspirational, or a little bit motivational for you guys. Again, if you're new to the channel and you've never checked out any of my videos before, on Mondays, obviously I do these Motivational Mondays, but on the rest of the weeks, I put out videos about filmmaking gear, tips, tutorials, and all that good stuff. So if you're new, definitely hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.